Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your HP 255 to an external monitor. To do that, you're gonna need to use a monitor that supports HDMI, and you're also gonna need a two-sided HDMI cable. One side of this cable will go into the dedicated port, HDMI port of this laptop, which is located on the left side of it. So insert your HDMI cable in here, okay, and then make sure that your external monitor is being separately powered using the power cable, and insert the other side of the cable into your external monitor's HDMI port. By default, your external monitor should automatically detect your PC and start copying the image of it. But if you want to change the projection type, use the combination of Windows and P buttons on your laptop and change the projection type from duplicate to extend, or second screen only if you want to black out the image on your laptop and use your external monitor as the main monitor for this machine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.